Hi everyone, in this video we will solve h plus 8 is equal to h minus 8. Find the value of h. There are two methods to solve this question. We will start by method 1. We have given h plus 8 is equal to h minus 8. First of all, we will take square on both sides of the equation. H plus 8 whole square is equal to h minus 8 whole square. This is a plus b whole square. A plus b whole square is equal to a square plus b square plus 2 into a into b, and this is a minus b whole square, which is equal to a square plus b square minus 2 into ab. We will use both of these formula on the left hand side and the right hand side respectively. This is h square plus 8 square plus 2 into first into second is equal to h square plus 8 square minus 2 into h into 8. We have h square plus 64 plus 2 into 8 is 16h is equal to h square plus 64 minus 16h. We will take all these three on the left hand side. So sign will change. H square plus 64 plus 16h minus h square minus 64 plus 16h is equal to 0. H square cancel with h square, 64 cancel with 64, 16h plus 16h, 32h is equal to 0. Divide both sides by 32. 32 cancel 32, we get the value of h, which is 0. But we will verify this value whether it is correct or not. We have equation h plus 8 equals h minus 8. So we will put the value of h, which is 0 here. 0 plus 8, 0 minus 8. So 8 equals minus 8. No, it is not equal to minus 8. So its no solution is possible of this equation, as we have h equal to 0, but this is extraneous root, the root which does not satisfy the original equation is called extraneous root. So no solution possible of this equation. Let's move to the second method. H plus 8 equals h minus 8. Take and subtract h on both sides. H plus 8 minus h, h minus 8 minus h. H cancel with h, h cancel with h. 8 equals not equal minus 8, as we have done in the verification. So no solution exists for the given equation h plus 8 is equal to h minus 8. So in this video we have done two methods to solve the given equation. In the first method we get h equal to 0, but this is extraneous root, it did not satisfy left hand side equal to right hand side. So in the second method no solution exists. So I hope you understand this video. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel, and do not forget to press the bell icon so that you get the notification of my new daily videos. Thank you for watching.